What are the different types of molasses?
Hello, and welcome to our video today. Our topic is a sweet one. We'll be talking about molasses, a byproduct of the sugar production process. We'll explore the different types of molasses that you may come across in baking, cooking, or shopping.
What is molasses?
Molasses is a thick, sticky syrup that is a byproduct of the sugar production process. It is produced by boiling sugar cane or sugar beet juice and extracting the sugar crystals. What remains is this dense, sweet liquid known as molasses.
Light molasses.
First, we'll discuss light molasses. This type of molasses is created after the first boiling of sugarcane juice. It's the lightest in color and the sweetest in taste among all the types of molasses. Light molasses is typically used in recipes like gingerbread, cookies, and sauces, lending its delicate sweetness without overpowering the flavors.
Dark molasses.
Next, let's talk about dark molasses. Also known as second molasses, this type is made after the second boiling and sugar extraction. It's darker, thicker, and less sweet than light molasses. You'll often find dark molasses used in baked goods like brown bread, muffins, and certain pies for its richer flavor and deeper color.
Blackstrap molasses.
Finally, there's blackstrap molasses. This type is produced after the third and final boiling. It's the darkest and thickest type of molasses, with the least amount of sweetness. It has a somewhat bitter taste, but it's packed with minerals and vitamins, which makes it a nutritious sweetener option. Blackstrap molasses is often used in hearty dishes, health foods, or for dietary supplements.
Sorghum molasses.
Another type worth mentioning is sorghum molasses. Technically, it's not a true molasses because it doesn't come from sugar cane or sugar beet. Instead, it's made from sweet sorghum, a grain. The juice from the stalks of the plant is boiled down to produce a syrup with a similar consistency to molasses. It's a favorite in some southern U.S. recipes. So there you have it. Whether you're using it for baking, cooking, or even as a health supplement, there's a type of molasses that's perfect for your needs. From the light and sweet first boiling to the rich, nutritious blackstrap molasses, each type offers its unique flavors and uses. We hope this video helped you understand more about the different types of molasses. Until next time, happy cooking!